Your Lordship, in this matter, Miss Bhavita Das is appearing, Your Lordship. I pray for pass over, Your Lordship. She is leg before court number 1.
Next one.
Item 2, WPA 4 of 2025.
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner. Once it's been amended, this is complete. Very short point is involved in this case.
Who is for the
Miss Bhavita Das is appearing, Your Lordship. I pray for short pass over, Your Lordship.
passover has been?
I am there for the petition.
Yeah.
Twice I have been asked to serve. Service has been effected and filed the evidence service. OP number 1 died. Report has come and she has been expunged from the area of opposite party. The matter is otherwise ready. Now I can proceed with
So, to the earlier order dated 12th December, it transpires that a service has been completed in respect of respondent number 5 and respondent number 1. In respect of the other respondents, service was not completed.
already on record. I can show it on the record. Because
But
who has been appearing since inception before this court. And I can show it, it's on record. I have checked it logically. There was some anomaly, Lordship, that has been cured now. So far as service part is concerned. Because in the original suit, they did not contest it. Execution, ex party going on. Certain orders has been passed with the executing court, which are challenged them.
The council, as regards to service. Let an affidavit be filed.
Already it's on record.
Affidavit has been filed.
It's already got twice it has been filed. I can show it from the record. So not laws may get cut. Go now. Go. The main opposite party is the opposite party number 1. And 2, 3, and 4 are the children. They are already on record.
Yes. So respondent number 1, Komala Sarkar, has received.
She died. In fact, such report was brought in and she was expelled from the area of opposite party. This court had passed a judicial order to that extent.
On
There is an envelope by
which
OP number 1 has been expunged because the others are for children.
This is dated 11/9/24. This one is dated 20. 11/9/24 reflects that addressee expired.
Yes.
One, Kamala Sarkar expired. While the track report dated 23/9/2024, it reveals that item delivered addressee.
It's for other opposite parties. No, I'll just compare it with the consignment number.
No. It is in respect of Kamala Sarkar only. Kamala Sarkar go through. Postal receipt. First postal receipt.
Kamala Sarkar.
Kamala Sarkar. Yes.
And the corresponding track
report is on page 1.
Yes.
First track report.
Yes,
No,
yes.
second track report.
Second one.
Second
Yes.
track report. Item delivered addressee.
Yes. But the envelope which I got back, here's an endorsement, she died, then her name was expunged from the array of. As may not direct,
Yes.
No, may I do one thing? I'll put the Talbana in this registry. The civil division is being done. Let it be served to, because why I have made an attempt to this anomaly comes
Through court.
through court. Yes. I'll put the Talbana in the registry.
Name. Learned counsel representing the petitioner submits that Kamala Sarkar, that is the respondent
One.
number 1, has expired, which reveals from the endorsement on the envelope. Endorsement dated 11/9/2024. Endorsement dated 11/9/2024 on the envelope. While the track consignment issued by India Post reveals that on 23/9/2024, item has been delivered to the said addressee, to the same addressee whose name has been mentioned above. Kamala Sarkar বলেছিলেন না? Kamala Sarkar বলে বলা আছে? Same respondent. Thus, paragraph. Thus, there is discrepancy as regards to. The learned counsel further submits that the name of the said Kamala Sarkar has been expunged. Has already been expunged.
By an order.
So how can it be sent once again, learned counsel?
Legal is already on record. Legal, I understand. But may I do one thing?
In such circumstance, the learned counsel is a has already been expunged. Full stop. Paragraph. From the above noted facts and circumstances, that is the endorsement dated 11/9/2024 on the envelope and the report in the track consignment dated 23/9/2024 23/9/2024. There is discrepancy as regards to the said respondent, namely Kamala Sarkar. First off, in such circumstance, the learned counsel is at liberty to take steps.
That's not maybe I will put the requisites because I could.
Unless and until his name is already.
Expand.
How can there be a direction to that effect? First of all, two steps, necessary steps in accordance with law.
3rd September 2024 order may kindly be extended. This is an interim order. 3rd September 2024 order may kindly be extended.
3rd September.
2024 order may kindly be extended. The ultimate paragraph.
Has that been extended?
It has been. Yeah.
When?
It was.
First of the learned counsel seeks an extension of the order of stay of further proceedings which has been passed initially on 3rd of September, 3/9/2024. And
The learned counsel seeks an extension of the order of stay of further proceedings which has been passed initially on 1st September 2024.
and has been extended on 5th of November 2024. In such circumstance, let the interim order of stay of further proceeding be extended till the end of February. Till the end of February 2024. 25.
100. Thank you.
The matter to appear before the next circuit bench. Matter to appear before the next circuit bench. Before the next circuit bench.
No, 48 of condition 2. Date by the immediately after. Copy served.
Copy has been served upon her.
Yes. And the original is also with me.
No. Have you received a copy of the?
Yes, my lord, I have received the copy of the partition.
Yes, sir, the process. Do you have to say anything as
Yes,
regards
my
to this one? The partition deed?
Yes, my lord. With respect to partition deed, my lord, may kindly look at page number 10, my lord, which is the proposed map.
Yes.
My lord, in proposed map for the survey number 925/1, my lord can see, my lord, the part which they have according to the partition deed, which has been allotted to Mujibur Rahman since deceased. They have given the share in such a way where construction cannot be made. And the
Learned
second,
counsel, we are, this court is not at all concerned with the nature of construction or with the plot of land. We are concerned only whether the partition deed has been executed or not, in the presence of the partition deed. Nothing
my lord,
more than that.
my lord, respondents are not at all signatory to this partition deed, my lord.
Respondents. Who are the respondents?
Respondent number 1, 2, 2, 3.
Who is the respondent number 1?
Sitara Begum.
Who is she?
She is the wife of the deceased. She is a widow. 2 and 3.
Respondent in this present revision.
Present revision.
She
She
was the erstwhile wife of Mujibur Rahman,
yes,
who has been divorced
yes, ma'am.
much prior to the death of Mujibur Rahman.
But my lord,
So, is she entitled?
she is not entitled. But
Learned counsel,
yes, ma'am.
you are the plaintiffs. You are representing the
Representing
plaintiffs.
plaintiffs in trial.
So, now you apprise this court as to whether the plaint which has been filed by you is in accordance with law or not.
By way of inheritance, my lord, 2 and 3
Is
are
it-
entitled.
Simple question, whether the plaint is in accordance with law or not.
It is accordance with.
It is in accordance with law. The plaintiff number 1 is entitled to share of Mujibur Rahman.
No.
And the defendant number 4 is not at all, being the wife and widow of Mujibur Rahman, is not entitled to the relief.
She's entitled.
So this court wanted to know only one thing. Is the plaint in accordance with law or not?
My lord, but I am submitting on the behalf of the plaintiff number 234, my lord, as well. Because they are, by way of inheritance, they are the minor children. They are born in an orphanage. And where will they be going?
Learned counsel, we are not, this court is not to go beyond that, whether they are orphans or anything else. We are only concerned with the legality, nothing more than that.
But they are the legal heads.
There is no dispute as regards to the plaintiff number 2, 3 and 4. Sons and daughters, sons,
Sons, 3 sons.
3 sons of Mujibur Rahman.
It's fine.
The only concern is as regards to the plaintiff number 1 and the defendant number 4, whose name has been deleted on the instance of the plaintiffs.
Plaintiff 1 is not entitled, my lord.
So what is to be done? You are the learned counsel before the trial court. You are the learned counsel of the trial court. So what is to be done?
Names deletion.
Hmm?
Deletion of the
Deletion of whom?
plaintiff number 1.
And that is one part. The other part, in respect of the defendant number 4,
Incorporation of the. My lord, but he has solemnized second marriage. Dependent number 4. She is not entitled for the relief as per the. She has remarried to somebody.
prior to the death of the Mujibur Rahman.
After the death of Mujibur Rahman, she is married.
That is-
she has consumed remarriage.
That is a matter of fact that is to be dealt by whom?
It's a matter of full-fledged trial in the trial court.
So what do you propose?
I propose that even if the partition deed is considered, my lord, the area should be shifted, my lord.
We are not concerned with the area.
Legal heirs are entitled for these shares.
The revisionist has come up against the order of rejection.
Yes. It must be rejected, it must not be permitted.
Yes. Anything more to be submitted? So one has to be deleted and the other has to be incorporated.
No, my lord. She has solemnized second marriage, my lord. So incorporation
is-
names cannot be done.
That is a matter of trial. After the death of Mujibur Rahman, not prior to the death of Mujibur Rahman. But in case of the plaintiff number 1, she is not at all entitled.
She is not entitled, but my lord.
So yes, anything?
11A, they
Hmm.
clearly mention who are entitled.
Hmm.
We are admitting this, they are entitled.
Hmm.
11A of the page 34.
Page 34.
The deceased Mujibur Rahman died leaving behind plaintiff number 2, 3 and 4 and defendant number 4 referred the plaintiff number 2, 3 and 4
1 minute.
and defendant number 4 are entitled to get respective share in land hearing survey number 30. 330, they are entitled to get 2, 3, 4 and defendant number. It is their admission clear, they are admitting this thing.
Okay, so,
There is no question remains to be adjudicated after taking evidence or trial.
Learned Counsel, go through paragraph number 11E. What you have stated in your amended plaint. Place the paragraph number 11E.
That as the deceased Mujibur Rahman died leaving behind the plaintiff number 2, 3 and 4 and the defendant number 4, and as such the plaintiff number 2, 3 and 4 and the defendant number 4 are entitled to get their respective shares in the land measuring an area of 330 square meters in survey number 925 out of total area 561 square meter situated at Janglighat village under Port Blair Tehsil, South Andaman as proposed survey number 925/1 as mentioned in the partition deed. But may I submit?
Learned Counsel. So as regards to 925/1, this one is the correct survey number.
Yes, ma'am. It is the proposed survey number.
So
925/1.
main survey, it is proposed survey as per the partition deed 955/1, which is mentioned by this.
Which one is the correct survey number? 925 or 925/1?
Will be after partition 955/1.
Huh?
In the made part in the partition deed.
In the partition deed, you have changed the survey number also. Learned Counsel. Can one change the survey number in the partition through the partition deed?
It is something, identification is to be given for who will get this property, who will get that property. That is for identification purpose.
So what has been the schedule? What is mentioned in the schedule?
Of the plain file.
Yes, of the plaint, 1/4 share each of the plaintiffs, number 2, 3 and 4 in the land measuring an area of 330 square meters out of total area 561 square meters in survey number 925 situated in Janglighat village under Port Blair, Tehsil. As proposed survey number 95 as mentioned in. So first of all, there is requirement of amendment of the plaint. Do you agree? First of all, there is requirement of amendment of the plaint. Thereafter, the trial court is to decide as regards to Order 12, Rule 6. And you cannot go beyond the pleadings.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? We have filed order 1, rule 10 in the trial court for the deletion of the name of the defendant number 4. So as she has solemnized the second marriage and the same was also not disputed during that time by the opposite concerned party. So that means it is an admitted fact that she has solemnized second marriage. So that is on that ground, my lord, that the name was deleted.
Anything more to be submitted? Anything more to be submitted on council? No. ছোট ছোট গুলো ওনাকে দিয়ে দেন। Certified copy. A certified copy, photocopy of the partition deed.
Yes.
Photocopy of the said partition deed has been filed in the form of supplementary affidavit on behalf of the petitioners. A copy of the same has been delivered upon the learned counsel representing the respondents. Full stop. Paragraph. the petitioners have approached this court, this honorable court, having their prayer made, having their prayer where is it, Auditor Rule 6,
Yes.
page number
It is there. 40.
40. Having their prayer being rejected, having their prayer for passing preliminary decree, having their prayer for passing a preliminary decree in terms of the amended plaint dated, amended plaint dated
18 January 2020.
18 January, 18/1/2022. Wherein the plaintiffs have admitted the fact, plaint paragraph 11, page number
34.
34. Last line.
In terms of the amended claim dated within
In terms of the paragraph number 11E, insert it. In terms of the paragraph number 11E of the amended plaint dated 18/1/2022, wherein the plaintiffs have stated the following. Let this paragraph number 11E of the amended plaint, page number
34.
34. Yes. The learned counsel further submits that the legal heirs of Mujibur Rahman among the legal heirs of Mujibur Rahman is not the plaintiff number 1, full stop. The learned counsel has also submitted that as there is admission of a deed of admission of a registered deed of partition by the plaintiffs and the defendants, so the learned trial judge ought to have passed a preliminary decree in accordance with the admission made in the amended plaint. Full stop. Banking upon the aforesaid submission, the learned counsel has prayed for rejection of the impugned order. First, I have mentioned it. Impugned order dated, I have mentioned it at the initial stage. Impugned order of rejection dated
12/7/2020.
12/7/2024. Full stop. Per contra, next paragraph, per contra, the learned counsel representing the defendants, representing the opposite party's defendants, um, plaintiffs, opposite parties, plaintiffs submits that the defendant number 4 has namely
Salma Bibi.
Salma Bibi has remarried after the death of Mujibur Rahman. As such, she is not entitled to the share in respect of the said Mujibur Rahman. Full stop. Paragraph. The last next line. She further submits that the name of the said Salma Bibi has already been expunged by the trial court when an application, when a petition was filed under Order 1, Rule 10, Sub-Rule 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Full stop. As subparagraph, as regards to the partition deed, the learned counsel representing the opposite parties do not raise any issue or objection. Full stop. ওনার submission, এটা petition ওইখানে last একটা insert করুন, insert to be inserted. The learned counsel representing the revisionist has submitted that the partition deed is dated
5/9/11.
5/9/2011 and the same has been brought into the notice of the plaintiffs through the written statement dated
28 January 2020.
28/1/2020. Full stop. He further submits that the defendants do not admit the fact that the execution or registration of the partition deed was not within the knowledge of the plaintiffs. Full stop. He further submits that in spite of filing of the written statement on 28/1/2020 and thereafter the amended plaint being filed on 18/1/2022 and 3 years, more than 3 years having been passed, having been passed In the meantime, the plaintiffs have not taken any step or recourse of law in regard to the said partition deed. Thereafter, per contra. पर contra मुझे सबमिशन कितना हुआ? तो कहाँ तक?
Last paragraph, as regarding the partition deed, the United Council for representing the opposite party do not raise any issue or objection.
Okay. During dictation, it will close.
This is the conduct accepted.
No, yeah.
You accept the rule. What do you intend? What do you intend?
You will start, she will come in.
She's coming.
Within 1 minute.
Then pick up the matter.
Yes.
Needed, here on this side. Take note of the story.
Number. Facts. Business, fine.
You are acquainted with the fact.
Yes. This business, fine, then application, support the deputy commissioner. The deputy is not. Hello. Okay. The deputy has filed an representation before the respond number 1 dated 14/12/2022. Which is
Before the
deputy commissioner, the respond number 1,
deputy commissioner, 1 minute.
that is at page 11, annexure P2,
1 minute.
page 11.
Deputy commissioner is the respondent number 1.
1,
South Andaman,
South Anna.
Port Blair.
Yes.
The application is
This is the complaint against one
P2.
P2,
Annexure
annexure
P2.
P2.
1 minute. Written complaint dated 14/12.
14/12/2022.
Yes.
Subsequently,
Thereafter, page 11, your lordship, the petitioner has filed another application before the respondent number
What was
two.
the action? What was the action?
No
taken?
action has been taken yet
No action
till
taken.
date. Since
One-
2022.
1 minute. This one is dated 14/12. Yes, no action.
Thereafter, the petitioner has filed a separate application before the sub-register that the respondent number two. That is at page
Who is
11.
who is the higher authority?
No,
No.
the deputy commissioner is the higher authority.
Hmm. Highest
Yeah.
authority.
Yes,
Highest authority.
secretary. Secretary revenue,
Who is the highest authority? Secretary Revenue.
secretary revenue,
He is above Deputy Commissioner.
yes,
Did you approach the Secretary Revenue?
no. Thereafter, I have applied a separate application before the sub-register Southern number. That is the respondent number two herein. With respect to same,
1 minute, 1 minute.
at page 11.
Page 11.
Page 11. Next
Page
page.
11 is a photograph.
Page 12 minutes. So the.
Oh, page 12.
Your lordship,
Page 12.
if your lordship sees first paragraph. It will be clear.
Let him submit his
My-
case.
my-
Everybody will get the ample opportunity.
I'm sorry.
No. Complaint against you, right? Okay. And let's me among the problem. Pushing the consent of your date. Herein, a separate issue has been raised,
With
not
respect,
the self-same issue.
not same issue. This is separate issue with regard to same subject property,
Sure.
same subject property.
Hmm. This one is dated, letter dated
Dated nil dated.
Hmm?
Dated date is not mentioned,
It is
but I
not-
submitted on 28/11/2023. Date is not mentioned in my application, but
No date.
yes. But I submitted on 28/11/2023.
From the record, we won't be able to find out the date.
The date.
Yes.
After filing these complaints or representation before the concerned authorities, they have not taken any steps with respect of my complaints or representation. Thereafter, I have filed a reminder application before the same authority. That is at page 13, annexure P4. That is my reminder application to consider my application or to proceed the case as per my complaint. But till date, the respondent authority is not taking any steps after a period of more than 2 years or 1.5 years. So I seek a direction that pray for direction to dispose my application within a time limit frame. Because since long, they are not taking any steps and my case is pending since long and there is no any progress with respect of my complaints and representation.
Anything more to be submitted?
No.
My lord, the writ petitioner is stepmother of the complainant. And all these issues have cropped up because of one gift deed and one sale deed. And they have already, it is before this, the matter is pending before the civil to decide on all those issues. And in fact, my lord, if my lord sees the entire
I-
petition,
in-
there are
in-
disputed question of facts.
1 minute.
My lord,
In the first paragraph of the annexure P3,
yes, page
I am
12.
the-
Page 12. And that
Page
has
12.
not been pleaded in the writ petition. In
I
the
am-
writ petition, this thing
Hmm.
have never disclosed by the writ petitioner whether any suit is pending
Hmm.
before the civil court or not.
Hmm.
It
I am
can
the
be either of the parties.
I am the stepmother of B Shiva. I have filed civil suit. I
Stepmother.
have filed
Yes,
Yes.
she
Civil
has
suit.
filed in 2020, my lord.
against my above said son for suit for the specific performance which is pending with the honorable court being OS original suit number 21 of 2020. Subsequently, the opposite party has also filed a counter case against me for suit for declaration before the honorable court, title suit 7 of 2021.
But
So
that
these one counter case is also there and the civil suit between the parties. Those issues have to be decided by the civil court, not before this writ court, because there are different question, like disputed question of fact, whether any gift deed was executed or a sale deed was rightly executed or not. And these are all before the civil court under challenge, my lord. Whether this writ court can enter into all those facts, my lord.
In reply, your lordship,
And for that reason, my lord,
They're complete.
yes,
since the civil suit is pending, my lord, the authorities are also hand-tied to solve these issues, because the issues that have been raised in the complaint itself, if my lord sees the complaint, in annexure P3, page 12, itself shows it's a civil dispute between the parties.
Which
Regarding
paragraph?
what,
Which paragraph?
Which paragraph, my lord, the entire this
P3.
application, my lord.
P3, annexure
my lord.
P3.
If one sees the entire this representation,
Hmm.
it speaks that there is a civil dispute and it is under challenge before the civil court. So, my lord, what authorities will do, my lord? The civil court has to decide, because two things are there, my lord. First, they have challenged a will. Second, they have challenged a sale deed also.
Not will is not involved.
Will is involved, my lord. I'll come to that.
Sale deed and a gift deed.
My lord, will is also there. I have seen this. My lord, the page 30, before the last paragraph, down from 1 to 3. I'll read, my lord. Thereafter, I fail to understand with my available knowledge that in occupancy right landed property under which provision a person has constructed a RCC double-storied building. And more so, I fail to understand how the revenue officers have provided reports for obtaining nodules and non-encumbrance as well as valuation certificates for the registration of instant gift deed in question. So, my lord, this gift deed also is in question because
Yes.
they have
Sale deed, one sale deed and one gift
one
deed.
gift deed, my lord.
Hmm.
They are challenging those two deeds, my lord. And they have also annexed along with, it is not before
this is
this
a wrong
honorable
reply,
court.
your lordship. I'm not challenging.
Let her submit.
Because those two things, my lord, the civil court has to decide.
Hmm.
And if my lord sees, because it has not been pleaded in the writ application is clear and simple that to dispose of the representation.
Hmm.
But the real fact is that the representation itself, it will show. It is clear that the real factor is that they are challenging the gift deed and a sale deed.
Hmm.
And which is already under challenge before the civil court. The civil
You
court
are
has to decide.
You are representing both the respondents.
My lord.
What prevented you
My
from
lord,
giving the
whether-
reply?
My lord, today is the first day I'm appearing. Okay, for,
Against the application, it was.
and moreover, my lord, this private
The
respondent
date has not been mentioned.
private respondent has not been made as a party to this case.
Hmm.
Because their challenge, the complaint is against a private respondent and she is not made as a party, J. Dhanalakshmi. She has not been
Anything
made
more?
as a party, my lord.
Anything more? Anything more
So,
to
my
be
lord,
submitted?
the disputed question of facts are there, my lord. This report is, this writ application is not at all maintainable, my lord. And moreover, the private respondent has not been made as a party to this case.
Hmm. Complete?
My-
Yes, in reply.
Lordship, whatever my learned sister has submitted with respect to the civil court matter, that is his different issues here. That is the dispute between the mother and the son. But I have filed an application with respect to the,
If my lord sees page 14,
your lord,
request to
Lord
cancel.
Counsel,
My lord,
you were given the opportunity.
I just.
I have
Just-
specifically made a complaint before the respondent authorities to consider my application and to proceed with the case. they have not filed, they have not summoned me, or they have not issued any notice by saying that this is not the appropriate authority or is not the correct forum. They have not filed any reply. Still, my application is pending. The what and the subject matter is totally different, Your Lordship. What I have
Totally
played,
different.
what are my sisters,
Subject matter is totally different.
not subject matter, Your Lordship. The when a sister has submitted, that is totally different. My application is submitted before the respondent authority to proceed with the case in
The,
accordance with my complaint.
the suit filed by J. Dhanalakshmi is
That is
a
dispute
declaration-
between the,
declaratory suit
yes,
in respect of the self-same property.
yes,
That is, what is the survey number 648?
yes. That
In
is
respect to the self-same property?
same property. That is only to declaration suit. But this is not a declaration case. I have made an application to take the necessary action against a wrongdoer. Who is the wrongdoer? I mentioned in my complaint.
Who is the wrongdoer? It will
Page-
have to be decided first.
I have made a complaint, Your Lordship.
It will have to be decided first.
Yes,
And for
then
that reason, you have filed a specific performance of contract.
no. The specific performance contract is different thing, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, kindly come to page 11. My complaint, kindly see my complaint. What is my complaint?
Page 11 is a photograph.
Page 12. No?
Yes, page 12.
Yes.
Page 12 and 13.
You have wrongly numbered it,
Yeah,
paginated.
It's my mistake.
Hmm.
Without following due process of law, the respondent, not respondent, the concerned person, without converting the land into a commercial, they have developed shops that is in violation of LR, Land Revenue Act. So I filed an application to stop.
Now
that.
you first of all say you are banking upon P3, P2 or P3?
I fail to understand what.
You are, you have filed the writ petition.
Yes,
Intending
P2.
to give effect to P2 or P3?
Both. P2
P2,
is different.
P2
Before
is
the DC,
P2 is a different issue
Different
and
issue.
P3 is a
Is a
different
different
issue.
but
And
subject,
you have
but property is same.
property is, now, yes, property is same.
P2 is for,
According to you, the property is same.
yes, property is same.
Yes.
P2 is complaint for the concerned person who is the owner claiming that he is owner. You'll also kindly appreciate.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
P2,
Hmm.
that is complaint against Dhanalakshmi.
Hmm.
Who is Dhanalakshmi? They, as per the record, she is the owner.
Hmm.
But prior that, the mother was purchased the land from this stepson.
Hmm.
That is
Why have you filed a suit for specific performance of contract?
for same claim, Your Honor. That I have a share, I purchased. That is why I.
Anything more to be submitted? Anything more to be submitted?
Also, my prayer may be accepted. My application is still pending.
We are concerned with that only. Your prayer.
This is the duty of the concerned respondent
Learned
authority
Council.
to dispose my application.
Learned Council, you can submit once. If you submit it twice or thrice, that will not enhance your prayer. The prayer will be the only thing which you have prayed for. Yes.
Madam, page 14.
Anything which you have,
I kindly come to page 14.
page 14.
Their intention will be clear, my lord. They're asking for cancellation of the gift deed.
Hmm.
Whether the authority can do it.
Which paragraph? Which
My
paragraph?
lord, the first subject point, reminder application such and such, last line, my lord, and requesting to cancel the gift deed dated 2015. Whether the authority can do it. These are the questions to be decided by the civil court on evidence.
the learned counsel, but the in the present writ petition has been filed by the petitioner, being unable to obtain a response from either the Deputy Commissioner, South Andaman, Port Blair, nor from the Sub-Registrar, South Andaman, Port Blair. In respect of involving a property Otherwise,
And basically, Tehsildar was the person who carried out the commissioning work. He was the commissioner to carry out the partition.
it was directed, it has been directed.
Yes.
By the court.
After the preliminary
Partition
decree,
commissioner.
when order 26/13 was disposed of, Tehsildar was appointed as a commissioner and he was directed to do the commissioning work. He did the commissioning work and submitted the report. And on the basis of his report,
Partition commissioner is a Tehsildar.
Tehsildar. That is a peculiar thing. How like?
Come on 13th, being ready,
My lord,
having necessary instruction,
my lord.
so that it can be disposed of.
My-
Lordship, I am for the petitioner lordship. Lordship, there are three identical matters, CRR 56/24, 57/24, and 58/24.
Hmm.
The two CRRs are before Honorable Court number 1.
Hmm.
One has come before the Honorable Court. Lordship, I pray that the instant matter may be released from this and may transfer, because the two matters are getting adjudicated.
It has been said yesterday only. This bench does not have such power. Senior judge has the power. You mention it before the court number 1.
Lordship, there are already matters, two matters there. One is here. So this matter may be released to Court number 1, Lordship.
I'm unable to.
आप
Get
वहाँ
understand.
mention करिए, वहाँ mention करिए.
Yes, Lord.
Mention it before the
Court number 1. Yes, Lord.
court
I do
number
so.
1.
Of that.
Senior- Before senior judge,
Yes, Lord. Grateful, Lord.
not today. Yesterday, the matter was taken up,
थोड़ी होए.
or you did not apprise the court. Okay.
Item 6, WK 485.
I am for the respondent. I'm saying time to file affidavit in reply. I received copy yesterday.
Who is for the petitioner?
Sorry, नहीं for the
Please.
उधर जाइए,
I'm for the
उधर जाइए. उधर जाइए.
Which side is
आप
for the
उधर जाइए.
petitioner? Herein,
This side for respondent.
respondent. So,
I'll file my reply, man.
affidavit in opposition has been filed.
Yes, my lord. I filed before the registry whether it has.
It is not in the record.
My lord, it was filed on 3rd January before the registry. Copy already. Last, kal diya.
I'll file my reply. I got a copy.
Let the affidavit in opposition come
My lord.
thereafter. Let it be passed over. Affidavit in opposition be
Has to be
tagged with the
reflected
file.
in the order sheet also, my lord, that since I have filed my opposition because
Unless and until the affidavit in opposition is tagged, how can he be given the opportunity to?
No, I
File
received
affidavit.
the copy. Yes, he has handed over.
I have filed, already filed on 3rd of January. Has been filed
The
before the
court is to
registry.
decide. If the affidavit in opposition is not in the file, can an opportunity be granted to give the affidavit in reply?
Well, at that
Let
part,
it
I
come.
am nothing to say.
Let
But
it
I
come.
received a copy from her.
Let it come, let it come, let it be passed over.
My-
Item 7, WK 494.
Lord, item 7, I beg to appear for the petitioner. My lord, yesterday the matter was adjourned because one document was not legible,
I could
has
recollect.
to be supplied by the respondent.
हमारा report
This is the one page was unclear, my lord.
Yes, yes, only one page.
आप उसको-
Who has furnished this one?
My lord,
Who has furnished this one? What?
this,
copy
my
can-
lord, is one page of the AP. We had filed the report, my lord. Our report, one page, I was told yesterday was unclear. So that APWD report has been placed before my lord. Report दीजिए ना, ऐसा एक पेज कैसे दे सकते हैं? Report दीजिए पहले. Report का पीछे जो एक पेज जो unclear था उसको लगाना पड़ेगा. I'm very sorry, my lord, I was.
So why have you filed a single page?
We have already filed the report. I was told I will just attach, so I'll just staple it and give it. This one page was.
I think the entire set should have been provided.
Actually, my lord, it is in Campbell Bay, my lord, that is why.
Okay,
Very
Lord
far.
Counsel.
Otherwise, my lord, it can come in the next circuit, my lord, we'll file it. This one page was, page number 6 was unclear.
Yes.
So, yeah, this page number 6.
Lord Counsel, need not
Yes. Yes, page.
unstitch one, that one. It is stapled, let it be stapled.
Alright.
Um,
Page 6. for it, yes, sir.
Is this the procedure adopted here?
My lord,
single
yesterday I
page.
was told that only one page was unclear.
Hmm.
My lord, there was a direction for filing a report, this report was filed and I think one page was unclear. That-
Yes, one page was unclear.
We can file a fresh report also, my lord.
That will take time.
Then next circuit, my lord, may grant us liberty to file this report, it can come in the next circuit.
My lord, I have an objection, my lord, because if they are given a further opportunity to file a fresh report, there is a chance to develop their case further. Because my lord, now my case is based on their admission made by the report filed on record. And my lord, I will not trouble your lordship to that unclear page. In my copy, that is also illegible. I will not place reliance upon that page.
But we have not given opportunity to file your return.
You are representing?
I am with you.
Both of you will submit.
No, my lord, I apologize of this. Useful. My lord, may grant us that we haven't filed an opposition, we can file opposition. My lord, grant us time to file opposition.
No, you have filed the report. That is, that was directed.
Yes, but no, yes,
When advocate of the petitioner appears virtually, he submits that one pond was constructed. One pond was constructed. And then for some other land was demarcated by revenue department. Department right to submit his report and for such report and filed till now and respondents pray for an adjournment for 2 weeks. Not of the respondents but report my affidavit positively adjourned. Did they also looking serve an advance copy? Lord Counsel, you don't have any objection to the accept?
No, no, my lord, regarding that illegible page, I don't have any objection. Without placing any reliance upon that page, I may proceed.
not supposed to file reply to this report, he has chosen not to file.
Yes, he has not.
Then my lord,
chosen not
give
to
us
file.
the bill, then, because you are expecting that some time.
My lord, I do not understand what kind of submission is. If I am waiving my right of filing objection to the exception to their report, what is their problem?
Complete, my lord, if your lordship is indicated that we proceed on this basis, we'll proceed, but let it be kept on Monday, my lord, we'll come prepared for final arguments. Because my lord, today proceedings were not complete. We were under the impression that he would file a response to this or that we would be granted time for affidavit in opposition. If he doesn't want, that is his prerogative, but let the matter be fixed on Monday, my lord, for
My lord,
argument.
in that case, my lord, if they are not ready, then my lord, kindly fix it on Tuesday, because Monday, my lord, I have some difficulty, my lord. Tuesday, my lord.
Let it come
Why
out
not Friday?
by
My
Friday.
lord, Friday, I have also this week, my lord. Till Monday, I have some difficulty. Maybe on 14th, my lord, 14th January. But today I am absolutely ready. I can proceed with the matter, and my lord, I assure that, my lord, everything is on.
It will
Nobody.
Lord Counsel, it will be a lengthy hearing.
No, my lord, absolutely not. Everything is on record. Everything is on their, my lord, admission.
So,
Any day, my lord, it can be
nin-
fixed except this. my lord, answer.
So
He also has
it is being fixed on, you are representing,
I'm representing respondent number 5 and 6.
My lord, I am representing respondent number 1 to 5, 11 and 12.
One.
1 to 5,
1 to
11 and 12.
you are representing 6,
I am
7, 8, 9 and 10.
6, 7, and my lord 8. 6, 7, 8, and 10.
6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
9 is SHO, my lord, 6, 7, 8 and 10.
Who is representing respondent number 9?
9, I don't think have been served, my lord.
Nobody's.
Nobody is.
My lord, respondent number 9 is the police personnel, police officer. He has no material role to play, my lord. It is my lord, he has been made party because, my lord, if in the matter of execution, maybe his help is required. Otherwise, he is not a material party.
Learned counsel,
If he's not a material party, then why he is made as a party? And he can be deleted from this.
may I get the opportunity?
My lord.
I'm so sorry, my lord.
I'm sorry.
Learned counsel, why have you made him a party?
Yes, my lord, may I say, my lord? My lord, situation is that the authority has constructed a pond over my land. Now, my lord, if there
Once,
is a,
once a person is made a party,
my lord, I have served him. My lord, I have served. It is not a case that I am not served. Somebody is not representing him. That is a different issue. All I am submitting that his will not have a direct impact in this case. That is all.
that is the secondary question. Whether it will have a direct impact or indirect impact, that is not the concern of the court. The court is concerned, if a person is made a party, he shall have to be served, whether he is served or not.
My lord, he has been served. Affidavit of service has been filed on the previous occasion, my lord.
Affidavit in service filed on,
My lord, that is in the record, my lord.
from which paragraph we will get? Where from we will get that 9, that is the station house officer.
Yes, my lord.
He has been served.
Report, postal receipts with the evidences.
Show me. That he has been served. Postal receipt and the track consignment.
The postal receipt is enclosed here.
Receipt is not.
But the tracking. Track report is not there. We have. From this service. It was served with the postal report.
Learned counsel,
My lord.
what is your junior submitting?
My lord, I have heard, my lord. If in that event, if my lord, if it is my lord's desire to serve them, I can again check that I can get the track report, my lord.
It is up to the petitioner whether he will serve or whether he will take any other step.
My lord.
What step do you intend?
My lord, in my humble submission, SHO is not a required party, so we can delete his name, my lord. If required, you can delete his name.
Whether the court will suggest that thing, it is up to you. What
My
action
lord.
to take? Which one do you intend?
My lord, we will delete respondent number 9 from the array of the respondents.
Are you
Today-
the advocate on record?
Yes, actually, my friend, Mr. Harish is there, since he.
Do not submit like this. Such things before this court. This submission to the last one.
Since he is not there, that is why I am assisting.
Are you representing? Are you the advocate on record? Yes. Thereafter you say that my friend is an advocate on record.
Since he is absent.
This is a submission before the court.
Apologies.
What do you intend?
My lord, we will delete the from the array of the respondents.
That cannot be done now.
My lord. My lord, in that event, my lord, kindly post it before the next available circuit. In the meantime, my lord, since the advocate on record is not available, what I will do is I will post it from Kolkata and we will effect service and then come back.
The learned counsel representing the petitioner or petitioners. Petitioner seeks an accommodation. Seeks an accommodation. Let the matter appear. Fortnight, accommodation for fortnight.
My lord.
It's an accommodation fortnight. Let the matter appear a fortnight. Let the matter appear before the next circuit bench.
Grateful, my lord.
But affidavit in opposition, yes.
Item three, WPA 485.
Yes, passed over matter, WPA 485 of 2024. You intend to file affidavit in reply.
Each time we can. My client is out of this, is coming back on Monday. Tuesday I will file, Wednesday two weeks.
The learned counsel, affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of the respondents. Let it be kept with the record. Full stop. Paragraph, the learned counsel representing the writ petitioner submits that he intends to file an affidavit in reply for which he seeks time till Monday,
Tuesday, madam, is coming on Monday.
till Tuesday, full stop. He further submits that he shall file the affidavit in reply on 15th of January. Let the matter appear on 15th of January.
Right.
Copy of the same be furnished to the opposite party in advance. Mentioned version, copy of the same be furnished, copy of the same be furnished to the opposite party in advance.
Okay. I don't call it again.
Why? You will decide.
No, I'm requesting on behalf of bar. He used to come at 8:30 in the morning.
That's why the recess has been given. Hey. Hearing survey number 3 by 1 by 2 holdings number 187 is a measurement.
For a
One
limited
minute,
purpose.
1 minute. So, 63 by 1, 2, 3 by 1 by 2
My lord,
is it hilly, classified as hilly?
classified as hilly land. And 154, 153 also hilly.
And 1 minute. Survey number 63 by 2 is classified as paddy.
It's bad, yes.
63 by 2 paddy.
Bad.
63 by 4 is classified as paddy.
Bad.
And 67
By 2
by 2
is also bad.
is also paddy.
My
So
lord,
one is hilly, remaining 3 are paddy.
bad. I applied to the Tahsildar,
Hmm.
Diglipur Tahsil to get the valuation certificate of this particular piece of land.
Get the
Valuation certificate.
valuation certificate.
Yes. Now today they have provided me
No.
some certificate.
It's already been 5th of December 2024. It has already been issued, madam.
I have no knowledge. After filing of this application,
Prior to,
after filing of this application.
prior to filing the writ petition, you did not have the knowledge.
Yes.
Acha. Let,
Filing it
I
on.
will check here.
for writ petition on-
So now it is infructuous,
I filed 13th November, 5th December they received after filing the writ.
5th December. Infructuous.
Yes.
Hmm.
My lord, in this.
As has been already provided.
Well, in this matter, my lord,
One minute, one
there
minute.
was a direction,
One minute.
my lord.
That has been already provided, so no further direction is required.
Report
No
file
further
or
direction is required. Anyway, which, as such, the present petition is disposed of. Yes, no, no.
My lord, in this case, my lord, there was a direction to file an affidavit, my lord, although I have just now received the report, my lord, it is not in the form of an affidavit. So, my lord may grant me some time, I will file it as an affidavit. Otherwise, this report can be considered, my lord, I have got the report. Last order may be seen.
You are representing whom, learned from?
My lord, I'm representing, my lord, the college, my lord, college, that is. Respondent number? Should be, my lord, the respondent number. 10, should be respondent number 10.
The dean.
Yes, sir.
So you are representing only the dean.
Only the college. Main respondent actually is the National Medical Council and the Pondicherry University. Here, my lord,
From the previous orders. From the previous order, it is reflecting that you have been representing all the respondents, for the respondents.
no, well, that may be a mistake, clerical. Maybe the person was recorded by this.
I mean, you are representing the petitioner.
I am only, my lord, for 9 and 10, ma'am.
You are aware of the facts? You are aware of the facts? Not aware of the facts? In respect to the other respondents, have those been submitted? Notice has been served,
Yes, advocate was.
representing?
Yes.
I don't think so. It's because
Mr. Sivabalan, my lord, was appearing for National Medical Council and my lord, University.
from the order dated 11th December 2024, it transpires that the petitioner was represented. WPA 692. 692 of 2024ur. Mr.
Then, my lord,
how much,
the second round, perhaps.
Miss Amar Shah Yadav versus the Union of India and others.
Then perhaps they have, in this, they have not been served, my lord. So this
Already,
is
sir,
a,
I got the information. Notice has already been served, my lord. I've already got the information.
You have the instruction.
Yes.
Where is the affidavit on service?
No, recording.
Affidavit of service. From the
It's the
affidavit of
record.
service, you show that all have been served.
postal receipt was still receipt left.
Track consignment.
Track report चाहिए होता है. The track they have not, I think they have not given track. Email is there. With the email there. Tracking report is not.
Mr. Chakraborty, help him.
नहीं, इधर पोस्टल कुरियर किया है ना, तो इसका ट्रैकिंग लगाना पड़ता है, ट्रैक रिपोर्ट नहीं है ना, तो ये मिला के नहीं, कोई इससे नहीं पता चलता ना. दिस इज ओनली प्रूफ ऑफ, not proof of delivery. Email also you have sent, but as per the rules, I don't think email itself is sufficient service. No, well, tracking is not there. He has to file a fresh affidavit of service or include the tracking.
Let them post it tomorrow, then come with the instruction. Let the matter post it tomorrow.
Why? If it has not been served, then what the use of posting it tomorrow?
So I can serve the
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow can say, IMC is in Delhi. Let it come next week, my lord. In the meantime, they can make the exchange.
Okay, then we.
Next week or
No, let it be next
Let it
week.
be next
Let it be
Monday?
Monday.
They will be able to serve whom? Director, National Medical Commission, New Delhi,
That's the main respondent. Without them.
respondent number 5. Medical Council of India, represented by its Secretary, New Delhi.
But my lord, his senior is not here, my lord. Let it be next week. My lord. Let it be next week.
Where is your senior? Where is your senior?
Miss Anjali Nag, that senior. My lord. Let it come on Monday, Tuesday, whenever you're not. Wednesday,
No, on Monday. শুনুন এখানে না, do not go through the earlier orders. Take his name, Mr. Learned Advocate, representing the petitioner, submits that until seeks an accommodation for this week. Full stop. Paragraph. Seeks an accommodation for this week on the ground of his senior. On the ground of his senior. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned Senior Counsel, Mr. Chakraborty, submits that he is representing only the respondent's number 9, that is the director, Andaman and Nicobar Islands Institute of Medical Sciences. So it is the nomenclature is Andaman and Nicobar Islands Institute of Medical Sciences, within bracket ANIIMS, and the dean and the respondent number 10, that is the dean, 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 within bracket academics, bracket close, Andaman and Nicobar Islands Institute of Medical Sciences. Full stop. Paragraph. As such, in respect of the other respondents, none is representing, and the learned advocate representing the petitioner is unable to show that they have been served, that the remaining respondents have been served. Full stop. In such circumstance, the petitioner is directed to apprise the court on 13th of January as regards to service